Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how you can download CCleaner for free on your PC or laptop. So if you are interested, then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel, consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to download CCleaner for free on your PC or laptop, it's actually pretty easy. Just follow what I'm gonna do. So for the first step, I want you to go to your Google Chrome or any web browser on your device. And once you're on your web browser, next, you will need to go to the official website of CCleaner, since that's where we can download their app. So just search for CCleaner.com on your search bar. And after searching, you will now be on the website. So to download the CCleaner app on this website, it's so simple, since if you will take a look, you will now be able to see the download options for the app right here. So we have two different options or versions of CCleaner we can download. For the first one, is the Pro version. This version has more advanced options, but in exchange you will need to pay for it. And for the second one is the free version, which is more basic and simple, and although the Pro version has advanced features, the free version will still give you the necessary tools to clean up junk files, free up space, and improve your computer's performance. The version you will select here will depend on your preferences, but since this video is about how to download CCleaner for free, we will select the free version. And after that, your CCleaner will now start downloading. Just wait for it to finish. And once it's finished, you can now click the file to start installing the app. And then you will now begin the installation setup, so just click the install button. And after that, the app will now start installing. Just wait for it to finish. And once it's finished, it's done. Congratulations, you will now have your CCleaner, so you can now use it to make your device better, such as clean out junk files, free up space, and make your computer run faster. And so that's just how you do it, guys. Now that you've watched this video, you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.